Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. I'm so glad that you are a part of today's video. So today is obviously going to be a cleaning video. You know, cleaning and doing tasks in my home is a constant. But one thing I do not like to do is clean this stovetop. As you all know, I cook a lot of meals and I have to clean up a lot of messes. But one mess that I've been putting off is definitely really deep cleaning this top of my stove. I had a pot boil over the night before and I knew I was going to have to take this apart and give it a good wipe down. One thing that I have been enjoying is a Dollar Tree cleaner that smells like mint, and it is very refreshing. I love the way that it smells. If I find a cleaner that smells good, I'm more apt to use it, number one, and number two, I will continue cleaning until the job is done because I absolutely love a good smelling cleaner. You know, when you finally get that house done and your house smells spectacular and people come over and go, "Man, your house really smells good," that means a lot. That means a lot. It means that your work is somewhat being noticed. For a lot of homemakers or anybody who keeps up their living space, being recognized is not often. So there's a lot of work that goes into keeping our homes clean and tidy, and so it is nice to be recognized. So I want to tell you that I recognize each and every one of you that keep up your space. There's a lot of things that go into keeping the space tidy. I will tell you that every day is a challenge even for me. I love a good tidy home, but I can tell you that it is a challenge for me to keep up on all the things that need to be done. So now I am just taking Dawn liquid soap and a hot rag, and I am just giving these things a really good wipe down. They get really dirty easily. I am not a fan of the flat surface stovetops. I've never been because I love to cook with cast iron and heavier pans. So I've never been a fan of the cast iron or the flat top because I like to cook with my cast iron. So I obviously just went for the simple electric range top. However, you do have to take it apart and you do have to clean it often because apparently I'm a very messy cook. In this video, you're going to see that I have my headphones on. I am listening to a Dateline podcast, as I always enjoy whenever I am cleaning. It seems to break the time a little bit. And if I know that what I'm listening to is about an hour, I know that I've done an hour's work. And I feel like I'm successful in my time of cleaning. So tell me in the comments down below, what do you all do when you clean? Do you all listen to podcasts, audiobooks? If you have any audiobook suggestions, I am open to those. You can see that my floor definitely needs to be swept in here, although I don't think that makes it in this video, but I do tackle the kitchen floor. Now I am just simply trying to get caught up on laundry. I've got the wash, dry, fold down, but the put up is a little bit elusive. I need to get better at not living out of the laundry basket, and I need to actually put my laundry away. But here I am folding my laundry, and it is good to, I think this was taken before the first of the week, so definitely a good feeling to have, to have your laundry all caught up before you start the week. And I am using Gain pods, and I'm also using the Unstoppables in my laundry, so my laundry smells really, really good. And that makes me very happy when my laundry smells really good. So tell me what you all have been up to. Here I am with my pile of dishes I need to put away. And now my counters are all clean. As you can tell, my house is an older home, but I'm showing you my laundry detergent there. I live in an older home, but it is nevertheless a constant work in progress. But you know what? A home is what you make it. So whether or not you live in an apartment or a trailer, I can tell you that a little bit of love makes any space a home. So I enjoy my space. So I'm going to tidy up the bathroom. I'm using my favorite all-time glass cleaner, which is the foam cleaner. I feel like that foam cleaner really gets the job done. It gets down in there and gets my mirrors nice and clean. I love to do my front and back doors with it. Now in the summertime, I do use a squeegee, because I think that it does even better than the foam cleaner. But during the winter months, I'm going to just tackle my mirrors and doors with the foam cleaner and get it done. I'm using the microfiber cloths that I bought from Walmart for a giant pack. I think was about $11, and it does the trick. The microfiber cloths also work exceptionally well on my flat screen TV, any of my appliances. I mean, if you have any kind of black appliances, you know that the dust just shows very, very easily, and these microfiber cloths make it so simple to keep all of that good and tidy. And here I am just making sure that I get the complete back space of the TV. I feel so much better when I feel like I do a thorough job of this, because if I can see the dirt, I know other people can see the dirt, because I am legally blind. If you're new to my channel, my husband's blind and I'm legally blind. So if I can see the mess, anyone can see the mess. So now I am going to sweep my hardwood floors with my vacuum cleaner. I'm going to get up all of the little nooks and crannies off the floor. You know, where my front door is there, it just seems like that entryway gets very dusty, especially the floor. I'm constantly mopping and vacuuming, because it does show, especially when the light is coming in. Do you all notice all the sunlight that we're getting on this particular day? We got quite a few days in with some beautiful sunshine, and I've got to say, it was so nice. If you guys have been getting sunshine, let me know. It does change your mood. It changes the way you feel. Now I am mopping my floor with my wet mop. This is one that actually sucks up the dirt and the water and puts out at the same time. It's an older version, but if I can find it on Amazon, I'll link it down below, because quite often you all ask about it. And it works so good. I can't even put it into words how well this thing works. It is amazing. It has made doing the flooring so much easier. My hardwood floor stays nice and shiny, and I just love the way it cleans. It really scrubs. It's got bristles that rotate on the bottom. If there's anything stuck on the floor, it definitely removes it and then sucks it back up, which is, in my book, like amazing. I absolutely love it. Here in this video, here in the last, I am going to show you where I have a pan. We had leftover lasagna tonight, and the pan has heavy stuck on food. And one of my subscribers, who is a gem, always gives me really good advice. And one of the things that she did tell me was that if you put a dryer sheet into your pan, here it is, look at this, doesn't that look awful? Put a dryer sheet in there, leave it in there for a little while. It's going to come out clean. It works every time. It loosens all that debris. I just want to say, if you have enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe. I love to have you part of Heidi's home. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching. Bye guys.